Do you remember or have you ever seen those little wooden toy cars and trucks? I have, and I believe I had some when I was a kid. Yep, I'm getting up there. Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. And today we are going to 3D model and print these toy cars right here that I made. And this supposed to be the Hummer, the electric Hummer. That's what this one's supposed to be. I'm going to show you how I 3D modeled this one. I didn't want to do this one because it's the same concept, just different shapes. So we're going to show you how to do the Cybertruck, and we're using Fusion 360. I got the personal non-commercial use because I'm still learning it. I ain't purchased it yet. And we're going to be using the Bamboo Lab X1C 3D printer. So let's jump on into Fusion 360. Now, if these right here don't look cool, come on now. Look at this. You don't think these look cool? These turned out really, really nice. So I printed like, I guess what you call like the axles. I guess what we're calling the axles. So you kind of push it through like that. And then see the wheels. I left some little like cutouts, or so you can push it in. So we're gonna push it through like that. Then push that one through like that. And I kind of left a little gap so it can roll. So yeah. Does it look like a Hummer EV to y'all? Does it look like one? I don't know. All right, let's put the Cybertruck together. Come on now. You know them look good. Now, we have to take these outside and see which one is the fastest. Childish. All right, so we got the Hummer SUV right here. We're gonna start it right there. And we got Cybertruck over here. So this is like, I found the hill in the driveway right here. So it's windy. So I tried to come in between the cars and put you over there a little bit, scoot you over here. So this is we got a little hill in the driveway. So this is gonna be the starting line right here. And I'm gonna have it come all the way down. And this is gonna be the finish line right here. You can see them up there, then the finish line. So let's see which one is the fastest. I got both of them sitting equal right here. On your mark, get set, go. Photo finish, baby. Photo finish. The winner is the Hummer EV. Actually won the race. I was going for the Cybertruck. I ain't gonna even lie. I was going for the Cybertruck, but the Hummer actually pulled it off, man. That was fun. It was a little windy out there too. Tell me what you think. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about the modern day toy trucks. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And see you in the next one. Let's go make something else.